So long the living entity is in this material world, he has to associate with the different modes of material nature. The same example, just like the fire spark falls down on the ground. So ground, they have got different situations. One situation is dry grass. One situation is wet grass. And one situation is simply ground. So similarly, there are three positions: Satagun, Rajagun, Tamagun. So Satagun means if this spark falls down on the dry grass, then it ignites the grasses. When Satagun, Prakash, this fiery quality is demonstrated. But if it falls down on the water, wet grass, then it is completely extinguished. As three stages. Similarly, when we come down to this material world, if we associate with the Satagun, then there is some hope of spiritual life. And if we are Rajagun, there is no hope, and Tamagun, there is no hope. Rajastama bhava, kamalubha dayastas. Rajastama, if we associate with Rajagun and Tamagun, then our desires will be lusty and greediness. Kamalubha dayastas. Tato rajastama bhava, kamalubha dayastas. And if we increase our Satagun quality, then this kamalobha daya, these two things will not touch us. We may be little aloof from kamalobha. So in this Satagun, this is stated in the Srimad Bhagavatam, Sirnatam Sakata Krishna Punnasavana Kirtana Vidyantasya Vadrani Vidhunati Sahissaka. So we have to transcend all the three qualities, Satagun, Rajagun, Tamagun, especially Rajagun, Tamagun. If we do not try to do that, then there is no hope of spiritual salvation or liberation from the material entanglement. But in the Kali Yuga, there is no practically Satagun, simply Rajagun, Tamagun, especially Tamagun, Jaganna Gunavittista, Kalau Suddha Sambhava. Therefore, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu spread this Krishna consciousness movement, chanting Hare Krishna mantra. So, from this place, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started this movement, Krishna consciousness movement, throughout whole India, and he desired that Prithivite Ache Jatanaga, the ground. So, as many towns and villages are there, this Krishna consciousness movement should be spread. So, this Krishna consciousness movement is now in your hand. Of course, in 1965, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he wanted me to do something in this connection. He wanted from all his disciples, especially he stressed many times that you do this, whatever you have learned, you try to expand in English language. And in 1933, when he was in Radha Kunda, I was at that time Bombay in connection with my business life. So I came to see him, and one friend wanted to give some land in Bombay for starting Bombay Gauri Award. He's my friend. So that's a long story, but I wish to narrate this. the Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami's mission. So at that time, one of my god brother was also present. He reminded me about my friend's donation. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada immediately took up in that. He continued that there is no need of establishing many temples. Better we publish some books. He said like that. He said that we started our this Gauriya Math in Ultani. The rent was very small, and if we could gather 2 to 250 rupees, it was very nice going on. But since this J.B. Datta has given us this stone, marble stone, Thakurbari, our competition between the disciples have increased. So I don't like anymore. Rather, I would prefer to take out the marble stone and sell it and publish some books. So I took that point, and he also especially advised me that if you get money, to try to publish books. So by his blessing, it has become very successful by your cooperation. Now our books are being sold all over the world, and it is very satisfactory sale. So on this particular day of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur's advent, try to remember his word that he wanted that many books should be published about our philosophy, and it should be given to the English-knowing public especially, because English language is now world language. We are touring all over the world. So anywhere we speak English, it is understood, except in some places. So on this day particular, on the advent of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, I would especially request my disciples who are cooperating with me that try to publish books, as many as possible, and distribute throughout the whole world. That will satisfy Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as well as Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Thank you very much.